Hello and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got in my Chic beauty box for March and April. This is the subscription that comes out bi-monthly, and they reached out to me and asked if they could send it, and I was like, yes please, thank you. I also have a link that you can go to. I will have that in the description box for you guys, but we're going to open this up together and see what I got. I already know what one of the items is that I got because it came in like a separate like package, because there's an eyeshadow palette that just wouldn't fit, so I'll show you that first. But anyways, if you guys enjoy these types of videos from me, definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean so much. And let's go ahead and get started. This is the first item. This is a Ace Beauté eyeshadow palette. Look at this packaging. Gorgeous. I have a feeling this is going to be a really pretty spring into summer palette. Ace Beauté actually has really good eyeshadow. I don't know if you guys have ever tried it before. I've gotten quite a few of their palettes and I have very much loved them. So this is the Paradise Fallen. Oh, okay. Okay. I appreciate this. You know how packaging sometimes doesn't reflect the colors on the inside? Okay, so look at this packaging and just see what you think the palette's gonna look like. Envision it. You see it in your mind? Okay. Oops. As it breaks. Okay, so I have a broken shadow. Oopsie daisy. But here's the palette. Oops. Yeah. It's a really pretty palette, and it definitely embodies the packaging. I have this all over me. I'm so happy that I'm wearing pajama pants right now that are dark. If I was wearing my Taylor Swift pajama pants, I would probably cry. This is actually really pretty. Let me know if you want to see me do a look with it. Can't really do much about the dark shade that fell all over me, but you know, it's fine. It's fine. Oh, it's a mess. Oh no. I'm just gonna have to wait until, oh gosh, okay. Let's just open the box now, because this has become a problem. Okay, opening the box. Let's see what else we got in here. Let's go over this little card first. March, April box. Variation 1, Ace Beauté palette, something from Kylie Cosmetics, Bella Pierre, Estate Cosmetics, Revlon. And then another variation, we have NARS, Give Them La La Beauty, Bella Pierre, Estate Cosmetics, and Revlon. So let's see what I got in here. So first product, we got a brush from Bella Pierre, and this brush is a powder dome brush, and it retails for $30. The Ace Beauté palette retails for $34.99. Also, if you can hear my dogs barking, I apologize. Or wait, no, this is a powder brush. Yeah, powder dome brush, 30 bucks. Actually, pretty nice feeling, so happy about that. And then we have this from Revlon, and this is the Photo Ready Color Correcting Pen, and this is $10.99. I wonder what color this is. I think it's purple. What's purple for? For dullness. So I need to put this over a lot of people's personalities, because some people's personalities on the YouTube is pretty dull. I'm not gonna name any names, but yeah, it's me. I am so dull, you guys. I haven't filmed in such a long time. I feel like I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Like, y'all. And I can't even get this open. Here we go. Photo correcting pen. Okay, so we gotta like pump the product out. Ooh, I accidentally pumped a lot out. And it's shimmery. I'm gonna have to figure out like more research on, I'm just gonna like, cause it's like a lot. Okay. Don't do what I did, just barely pump it. It comes out, okay? So here it is. I don't really know what to do with it yet, but I'm gonna Google it because this intrigues me a lot. So yeah, maybe that'll be like an under eye thing. I don't know. And then we have this from Estate. This is the Lip Thirst, which is $12. And let's take a look at, oh, things are falling, this product. You guys remember when Estate had that collab with Bailey Sarian? That was everything. I didn't know who Bailey Sarian was at the time. So like, you know, here it is. This is the color. Let me just give it a swatch. We love that. Okay, and then we have this from Give Them Lala Beauty. This is a cream blush, I think. So, and this is $26. So here's the blush. Pretty dark. This is like the only finger that doesn't have anything on it. Right here. It kind of feels like I'm rubbing lipstick on my hand, so it's not the best, but I'll still give it a try. But anyways, that is everything that I got in this Chic beauty box. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Do you have Chic beauty box? Do you like it? Let me know down below. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!